In today's video, we're gonna briefly talk about a Blender add-on called Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning, and it is used to resolve the problems of skinning inside Blender. Voxel Heat is an add-on that uses Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning to generate perfect vertex weight for characters with rigs, replacing the traditional Blender method. The best thing about it is that it is fast, simple to use, and beginner-friendly, in addition to being very efficient. It is actually a complete skinning solution where you will find built-in features such as voxel and surface heat diffuse skinning and a corrective smooth baker. Generally speaking, 3D artists nowadays create character components separately, then they group them together into a character with the use of automatic weight parenting, which causes Blender's skinning algorithm to fail sometimes. And this is where Voxel Heat comes in. It overcame the problem by providing you with a new way of skinning called Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning. After installing the add-on, you will see a new tab appearing in the M panel when selecting all the submeshes and the armature. The interface will appear in the Animation tab of the Tools shelf, and you will use different algorithms such as Surface and Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning. Furthermore, you have a corrective smooth baker, and each one has its own settings. Now, usually the armature for games rigging is not complicated, so just click the Voxel Heat Skinning button and you will get a decent result. But if you are rigging characters for a big animation project, the armature will be complicated, so to achieve perfect results, you must combine voxel with the traditional heat diffuse skinning. Surface heat diffuse skinning is used to create vertex weights for detailed areas such as the fingers and the face. Additionally, you can use the corrective smooth baker to automatically fix vertex weights problems. On a side note, if the rig is overly complex, you will need to combine voxel and conventional diffuse heat skinning to achieve good results. In addition to everything we said, the algorithm works by converting polygon meshes to solid statue using ray tracing technology. Ray tracing always produces better results than multi-view voxelization methods. So heat is generated in bones, which diffuses with a solid statue and loses a bit of heat when diffused to neighboring voxels. And if you iterate the process, it will reach a balanced state. The add-on boosts the speed by utilizing the CPU's multiple cores. When the heat diffusion process is finished, the heat from the bones will be eventually distributed throughout the entire solid statue, and the heat values represent the influence weights of the bones. Generally speaking, this add-on is very useful, and it will be especially useful for animators to generate perfect rigging in a short period of time with just few clicks, which is phenomenal indeed. If you are interested in this add-on, you will find the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.